Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to show you how you can download and install the new iOS 18 software update. As we speak, the update is rolled out all over the world. These are the list of supported devices that can have iOS 18 update. You might need to update to iOS 17.7 version before you can download iOS 18. Before you proceed with the update, make sure you have a minimum of 14.5 gigabytes of free space on your device and the battery is above 50% to avoid hassle. Now follow the steps to get the new iOS 18 update. Number 1. Go to iPhone settings and select General. Number 2. Search the software update option and tap to enter. Number 3. You will see iOS 18 update available on the screen. Number 4. Hit the download button and follow the prompts like agreeing to the terms and conditions. You will then see update requested option. Just give it a few seconds. And the download will begin shortly. After the downloading is finished, you will see preparing update. Just hold on a bit. After the preparation is finished, you will then be prompted to install now or later options. Select install now and enter the passcode and wait a bit. The iPhone will then restart and voila! You are on the latest version of Apple iOS. Thank you for watching.